Hey guys, it's Samara. Welcome back to German Made Easy for You. In this video, we're going to be talking about the differences between the prepositions nach, zu, and in. All of them answer the question wohin. So let's get started. Nach is used for cities and countries. For example, ich fliege nach Deutschland and ich reise nach Luzern. Note that in is used for countries that have an article. For example, ich fahre in die Schweiz. An exception is ich gehe nach Hause. In is used for enclosed spaces or areas. For example, ich laufe ins Supermarkt. Ins is the contraction of in das. And ich spaziere in den Garten. Den is the accusative form of der. Note that in used with movement always takes the accusative form. Zu is used for continuous or trips in the future. For example, ich fahre zum Konzert. Zum is the contraction form of zudem. It is also used when going to a person, event, or an activity. For example, ich gehe zur Lehrerin. Zur is the contraction of zu der. And ich gehe zum Radfahren. Note that zu always takes the dative form. Danke fürs Zuschauen. Ich hoffe, das Video hat euch gefallen. Bitte klicke die Daumen nach oben und abonniere meinen Kanal. Tschüss!